Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you how I'm going to clean this messy balcony. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I know it feels like you're gonna throw up, but I was really busy for a year. Seriously, for a year. I'll be honest with you. I was really let's just say I was really sad, not depressed, maybe. I was really in a heartbreak and I wasn't in the mood. I've cleaned it before. when I say before, it's like a month ago, and now I have to clean it again and decorate it. I used to have flowers. You can see there's a flower pot. I used to have roses, tomatoes, I have onions, like a small garden here. But the princess got sad, and today I'm gonna make it beautiful because my friend Jenny, hey girl, she's gonna come here later. Almost done, people. Floor is not that dusty anymore, and then I'm gonna pour water to make it cleaner and scrub with the towel. I'll be right back. Guys, cleaning update. The floor is dry, and then I've cleaned my yoga mat. It's still a bit dusty over here, but sure thing, it's good. Now everything is dry, the carpet is dry, the yoga mat is dry. I have to keep the skateboards here because this is where it's supposed to be at. When you come to my place, it's very small. It's like a maid's room or like a laundry room. So when you come in, it's already my bedroom, and this is where it's only the balcony that I have extra space for my friends, for visitors, for business meetings and whatever. Business meetings because I do investments now. Anyhow, so everything is dry, the floor, the mat, the carpet, skateboards are in here. Well, it's not like, I mean, it's organized, right? It's organized. And this will be my outfit for tonight. This is from La Zenza. It will be a Netflix and chill with friends. I'm gonna leave this clothes for a few more hours. It's almost dry. And then let me spread this. I'll spread this so it won't dry faster. Okay, now I'll start decorating, make it more like homey so that my friends will be comfortable, and then I'll show you how it's done. I have these lights, so I'm gonna put these in the balcony fence. I don't know how it's called or what's the name of it. So I'm gonna roll it, and then it will be really nice in the nighttime. It will be so romantic that my friends will fall in love with me even more. It's actually just a friend. I only have few friends. Like I can count them in my hands. Nothing else. Okay. I'm cooking food for tonight's Netflix and chill, and I'm cooking carbonara. I'm preparing salad, and I'm going to pop some corns later. And then I have my homemade Baileys. I will put the link below in the section. How's it going, sir? There's the light. This is the finished product of my Netflix and chill, though we don't have a movie yet. Balcony makeover. So we have a backdrop, I got the lights, that is here, flowers, salad, cake, pasta, and a boyfriend.
Ooh.
Some candles, some feet. What else could I ask for? A bee. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.